nakikita natin that impeachment really is a political theater. No, na yung bawat actor, no, yung respondent, yung prosecutor, pati yung mga senator judges, dahil maraming camera, maraming TV cameras, ang nangyayari, they're very preoccupied with projecting, performing for an audience, no, their own audience, na yung kanilang galaw, yung kanilang pagsalita, yung pagkilos, it's always virality in their minds, no, na paano ba to magva-viral or sigurado magva-viral ito kinabukasan sa SOCMED. So, those are the two clashing realities that we are seeing now, na ang kinalalabasan is confusion sa atin, ano, sa publiko. Kasi right now, prolonged yung procedure dahil gustong patagalin ng mga protagonists by sticking so strictly dun sa technicalities na nawawala na tayo dun sa original na pakay natin, kaya tayo nagtatrial, which is to seek the truth. Ano ba yung katotohanan dito sa mga aligasyon na to?